What is going on, guys? Tonight we got the Gator Jigsaw chocolate. Let's see if we can. Gator Jigsaw chocolate. Gator Jigsaw chocolate. I'm really excited to try this one. I've been wanting this one for a while. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Smells fruity and earthy and floral. Look at that interior. That is fantastic. Beautiful. It's still a couple seeds. Just a few here. Come on. Get out of there. Just this one more here. There we go. Perfect. Wait, I got one that's already fallen. Alright, there we go. Look at that interior. Didn't touch the placenta, just took seeds off of it. It smells like it's going to be hot. Let's find out. Very earthy. I expected it to be more floral. It was just very earthy with the slight touch of fruitiness. All right, so it was earthy and fruity all the way through until the last bite. It was slightly floral and slightly bitter. It was still a good, very deep flavor to it with the way the earthiness. And a little bit of fruitiness in the background, mostly earthy. Maybe a touch of smokiness, but not too much. But a good combination of flavors there. The way the floral and the bitter came in at the very end, surprisingly, actually complemented the earthiness and the fruitiness. It was surprisingly good the way those flavors combined. Heat, probably at about a 1. It's not a very aggressive burn. Not like normally chocolate pods are very aggressive burn. I don't know how else to explain this. Just it's a little more on the aggressive side. Still left with the earthy flavor in my mouth. A little bit of fruitiness, not too much. It was definitely a little more predominant while chewing. Earthiness stayed all the way through, though. It was actually a really good, just earthy fruitiness to it. Floral and bitter went away pretty much as quick as they came in. That was good. Heat's there, but it's not really doing too much. I expected that one to be a lot hotter. But still a really good pod. I'm really glad I got to try that one. Because I liked the Gator Jigsaw, which is considered more of a mustard pod. That was a really good pod. It was kind of very similar in flavor with the earthiness, the fruitiness, a little bit of citrus notes if you get the right one. And then usually right at the end you get that little tiny bit of floral and bitter. Some of them that I had didn't have any bitterness. It was just kind of a little floral at the tail end. But this one had much more earthiness to it. And like I said, the way it combined with that with the fruitiness was absolutely delicious. Highly suggest that one. Nothing really too much more to say about that one. That was a great pod. Not taking anything away from it because that was absolutely delicious. Burn still didn't really build at all. It kind of just started ramping up a little bit, but didn't really go anywhere with it. It was a good one. All right, guys, burn daily.